Hi, my name is Brandon. I'm the head brewer here at Situation Brewing. We weren't. You can find very good, reliable rules of thumb for pitch rates and cell counts per volumes of beer online. We were just using those, but those led to a lot of inconsistencies or lagging fermentations. Yeah, we find some very big beneficial changes when we started using the Oculize. We were getting much more consistent fermentation, no lags or anything. We were able to increase our generations for certain yeast strains. We're up past 10 in a couple of them now, which we were never able to do before, just out of fear of using some old yeast that wasn't quite viable now. It's very user-friendly, quite simple to use. You don't have to set up a whole lab space, which is one of our big downfalls and why we weren't really measuring our yeast beforehand. Time for sure, like I said, it is very quick to use and get results out of. And cost savings, definitely, if we can extend the generations of any of our yeast strains, even by a couple, that will add up quite quickly down the road. I definitely would recommend it to other craft breweries, especially anyone who's just starting up. Getting an entire lab set up and finding a space soon enough to use it can be a bit of a headache, so this can simplify all that for you.